Is Windows failing to load because of the Shdocvw DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Before we start the Shdocvw manual guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the Shdocvw. It manages the core navigation and document handling logic for Windows Explorer and legacy Internet Explorer components. It provides the web browser control used by many desktop apps to display web content. If missing or corrupted, File Explorer may hang indefinitely, and applications that embed web views will crash upon initialization. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Shdocvw is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Shdocvw file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Please be cautious of websites offering free downloads of Shdocvw DLL. These files are frequently the wrong version for your specific PC architecture and can introduce viruses into your sensitive system folders. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If you're reviewing error messages or system alerts, the diagnostic kit linked below provides general information for managing Shdocvw. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Shdocvw, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.